How to send a contact on WhatsApp. You can send a contact on WhatsApp for Android either on a group of person or to a specific person. Let's see how you can send a contact on WhatsApp to somebody. Tap on the person chat. If you did not start a conversation with that person, you could start the chat with the message button from the bottom. You have here a button on the bottom. If you wish to send a contact, tap it. Tap on Contact. Select what contact you wish to send. Tap on Send. Here you can select or unselect what numbers and info you wish to send from those persons. Now tap Send. You have sent the contact to this person. You can send the same contact to a group. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.